How to open La Banque Postale app. La Banque Postale is a French bank created in 2006 as part of the National Postal Service. It provides universal banking services across France, focusing on accessibility, social responsibility, and sustainable finance. First, download La Banque Postale application from Google Play Store or App Store. After download, open the app, you would see this kind of page. Click on Open an account. Then select Individual. Then click on Open an online account form, or if you have account, click on Login. Enter your identifiant, which is 10 digits. You can turn on this option to memorize the identifiant. Then click on Continue. That's it. Thanks for watching.